guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. If you guys notice that I am using the same thing for 3 videos, it's because I'm pre-filming today. I didn't want to pre-film, but I did have things to film today, so I'm just doing it all today. This time it is an unboxing video, and this one is the Boxycharm, and I finally got it. This one is for December, so I'm super excited about this because I didn't have to wait a whole month and a half to get it. I actually got it in the month of December. Let's open it up. Okay, so here is what the box looks like inside, and it comes with a card as usual, and this one is a Boxycharm Bubbles and Glitz, and this is what the card looks like. And this month I got variation number 55. So that's that. So the first thing in this box, it is a banana powder, and this one is by Ofra. And I think this is the powder that I chose for this month, like the product that I chose for this month. So this is what the packaging looks like. It looks really cute, and it's a nice sturdy box. It does have a mirror, really nice. I'm super excited to use this. It does smell like banana, so that's nice. I don't really mind the smell of banana. So it says that this conceals dark under eye circles and highlight the under eye area, the brow bone, the bridge of the nose, and the middle of the forehead and the chin. It also works as a matte eyeshadow. So that's really cool. So I'm super excited to use this. And this Ofra Cosmetics pressed banana powder retails for $35. Okay, so the next product that I have here, it is a lipstick, and this one is by MAC, and this one is in the shade Chili. Ooh, this is nice. This is my first MAC lipstick, so I'm super excited. I've never tried their formula before. It smells like candy, but whoa, this is really pretty. Look at this beautiful lipstick. Cool, so I'm super excited to try this lipstick out. I'm going to swatch it. Oh, that's pretty. It's this one right here. Very pretty. So I'm super happy that I got this lipstick, and this MAC Cosmetics matte lipstick retails for $19. Okay, the next product that I have here, it is a Butter London Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator, and this is what it looks like. I've never tried a cuticle exfoliator. So this one is supposed to gently remove dry, overgrown cuticles in seconds and reveal softer and healthier looking cuticles over time. Consistent use of this pain-free and good for nails formula makes it easier to push cuticles back. Push your clippers away and treat yourself to perfectly manicured cuticles. So I'm excited to try this out because I don't think I've ever tried a cuticle exfoliator, and this retails for $18 if I didn't say. Okay, the next thing that I got, it is the LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, and this one is the Kombucha Glow Moisturizer. I really like using LMS products, so I'm super excited to try this out. This is what the bottle looks like. It doesn't smell like anything, but this is what the tip looks like. So I will be using this pretty soon. So this LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer retails for $49. The last product that I have here, it is an eyeshadow palette, and I'm super excited about this because the packaging looks really nice. And this is the Caliente Artist Couture palette. This is what it looks like. Very pretty, and it looks fancy with its case. And this is what the palette looks like inside. Very pretty, very cute colors. So I'm super excited to try this out. And the names of the shadows are, okay, so this is Sensual, Mamacita, Brillo, and Rumba. And so then this one is Mangorita, Vibras, Fuego, and Cultura. I think that's how it goes. But anyways, the shadows look super pretty, so I'm super excited to use this eyeshadow palette. So I'll do a video of this eyeshadow palette sometime next week. So yeah, anyways, I will put the total value of this box on the screen so you guys could see. I think this month's box was really good. I really liked everything. I'm not super excited about the Butter London Cuticle Exfoliator. I feel like they could have added something different. But anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys also got Boxycharm and what did you guys get. Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.